First, you're going to make sure you're on the correct website, dclibrary.org/go-digital/learn. Then scroll down till you see what you're looking for. We are looking for BrainFuse Job Now. Click Visit. Then it's going to ask for your library card. Type that in. And then we're going to click on the templates. These templates are going to be very helpful for your resume. We're going to click on the Resume Lab. This will also be very helpful if you need a little extra help. Then we're going to click on interview tips. These are going to be helpful before the interview, at the interview, the do's and don'ts, and after the interview. For example, I'm going to click on at the interview. It's going to give you tips about at the interview. Now we click on the online resources. And it's things such as tips, dress for the interview. Today we are clicking on dress for the interview. It's going to take you to a different page. Then we're going to click on 100 potential questions during the interview. It's going to take you to another page, and this will also be helpful so that you know the questions being asked. Now we're going to go to careers and click unemployment assistance, and this can help you learn more about the benefits. Back to career, we go to career assessment. And going back to the home page, you go to job resources. I'm going to click on local resources for job seekers, and we're going to go to Simply Hired. And it gives us multiple jobs that I might be interested in, and whichever one you are interested in, click on it. I hope this was helpful.